Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And today we're actually gonna do an oil change on the Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. It's not gonna be a whole video about oil changes, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna actually be also replacing. This is a magnetic drain plug, and this tip right here, it just holds any metal particles that may get loose into the engine, and you will actually grab it. As you guys can see, it's pretty strong magnetic. I found this off Amazon. I actually saw it on Scavenger's 1320's YouTube channel, so he explains a little bit more and he's a little bit knowledgeable about engine stuff, things that he dominates more because he works more on engine base and stuff like that, which I just grabbed his idea. Now, one other thing that I haven't been 100% truly honest with you guys, I've been having some coolant leak issues with my Challenger. If you see right here, look how much coolant it's been dropping, but it has not always been like that. It used to be just a little tiny spot, which I was kind of okay with because it was from the lower hose. Let me just open the hood and I will show you guys. Love that Scat Pack logo there. Let's see. So it's a little bit dark, but it's from the lower hose right below this belt. I was spotting it and checking if it could have been from the top part, because as you guys may know, I changed the 180 degrees thermostat, but it's not. But like I said, it was just a very small area or a very small leak that it had. But as soon as the weather changed from hotter months to colder months, it actually started to do it a lot. So I'll be off a few days next week and I'll be dropping the car off at the dealership because I would need to order the hose, which is not very expensive, but it's money that will fall under warranty. I would need to take the bumpers off, which I can do, but if they can do it for me, and that's why you have warranty, then I'm gonna let them do it. Now today, I'm gonna still, while I'm talking, let me just open it up, see if I can do it with one hand. Yep, there we go. We're gonna see how much oil this oil catch can actually catches. I'm not gonna measure or do anything, but this will be approximately a little bit over 4,000 miles, because I didn't. Wow, that is actually a little bit more than I was expecting. I mean, nothing wrong. Here's actually a proof of what a little bit over 4,000 miles not great oil will get pushed back into your system. If you never seen one without the oil catch can, there was a hose going straight right here, and any extra oil from here that was actually not used would have gone through the hose, gone back into your engine bay. So this is, from what I hear, everybody's saying not the best oil there is. So we're gonna discard this, clean it up, and put it back on. Here you can see how the coolant is dripping. Obviously there should be more on top of this plastic, which I'll remove in a second and then we'll find out. Look at that, no bueno. A little bit on my mat here, but that's nothing crazy, but This is 100% not good on a new car, you know. 5,000 miles, but not everything new is perfect. So this is the moment we all came to see. 13 millimeters socket. Okay. Let's see this nice trim. There we go. Nice. Who doesn't like to see this? I'm gonna move this below that stream, but also below the oil filter in case mess happen, which I'm gonna show you my technique. One thing I used to take this oil filter off is this. You know how it's called. I will leave the link down in the description. And this one you position on the oil filter. And you just get it loose. Now, I don't like to make too big of a mess. I'm gonna use a Ziploc bag. And you get it below and hug the oil filter. So try not to drop it because it's gonna be a little bit heavy. Especially I'm doing it left-handed. There we go. All that oil got catched in there. And the leftover in the pen. Just to show you. So we got two nice streams in my bucket. In this case, not a metal pen anymore, old school. Let's compare these two drain plugs now. Let me open this. And here's the little magnetic thing that we were talking. Look how strong it is. It will pick up this whole almost. Yeah, it holds it actually. Just to give you an idea how strong that magnetic is. Now, this one, smaller, supposed to be the same 13 millimeters. Let's find out. It's not. So I was guessing 15 millimeters, but it's actually a 17. Yep, there we go. 17 millimeters. It doesn't matter. I just have to remind myself next time to grab the 17. It fits, so that's good.
Still got crack, they fiendin'. Flow still hot like Phoenix. Shine so bright, I'm gleaming. This off top, I'm tweaking. Fresh out the rack like Neiman. And I'm still trying to fight my demons. We all gotta act like Tina. That's why I gotta ride with the Nina. Outside, it's a war.
In case you guys haven't seen my oil change video, this car uses 7 quarts. So you got a 6-pack and an individual one and your oil filter. Should be nothing else in here. Just paper, I guess. Receipt. Like I said, this time I paid 72. It says with tax I got to 77, but obviously the price is 72. Guys, remember, this rubber sometimes gets stuck on the top of the metal up there. I took mine off, it didn't came down, so I always do a spot check and it didn't came off. So if not, it's gonna be rubber on top of rubber, which is not gonna be too good at that point. Just like any car, you wanna put a little bit oil on top.
still off top, I'm tweaking. But I still gotta fight my demons. I ain't no
Just
good, I'm
lubricate the whole area.
I ain't been clean since
Okay, new OEM oil filter is back in.
that's why I gotta
Tie
watch
this
my
up.
demeanor. You know they locking up blacks and Latinos. It's the same old game, ain't nothing really changed but the mileage on the meter of the beamer. You get cold when you ride with the heater. It'll turn you to a dog like a keto. And expose to a cat like a cheetah. They smoke my partner like reefer. Dímelo porque o no entiendo mi gente must really
There
need
we go.
Jesus. Shed real blood, I never seen the kryptonite.
Just to give you guys an idea how much oil I catched. This is from the first 1,000 miles. Obviously I wasn't punching it because I was braking in the car till at least 500. I went actually pretty easy till 1,000 now. Here, let's pour this on in. I think it's more than 4 times what the first 1,000 miles did, but obviously this is what more punching on the highway means, I guess. So just to put that into perspective.